Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So by now you may feel that you know everything there is to know regarding S22 series, thanks to Kim for the extensive leak. But there are some things that we came to know now, and it's bad news. Well, that is if you were planning to order S22 and S22 Plus. According to John Prosser, Samsung has been forced to delay shipment of the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. Yes, the two cheaper options in the Galaxy S22 series may be pushed back because of the supply side issues. Now we don't know if the shipment is delayed in all countries or some countries. If so, then is it related to chipset shortage? Well, we do not know now, and Samsung has yet to comment on the shipment delay rumors. However, Prosser has more often been right about these kind of things. Anyways, the S22 series will go on pre-order right after the big event on February 9th. But the official sales will be postponed to February 25th for the S22 Ultra and March 11th for the S22 and S22 Plus variants. It remains to be seen if the Galaxy Tab S8 series open sales will also have the same effect, that is pushed back, or if Samsung will somehow manage to bring its devices in a timely manner. Other than that, we recently came to know that the vanilla S22 charging speed will be limited to just 25 watt, as against the Plus and Ultra model which are set to get 45 watt charging speeds. And to be clear, the S22 phones will not come with any charger in the box, you have to buy them separately. Well, that is all for now. I won't bore you with the rest of the specs as you already know them. With that said, if you want more such videos, then definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.